welcome to the Oxford Sandy and Black Pig Group Foundation Charity Christmas Competition 2024 question 5 for your chance to win the Inkbird charcuterie cabinet starter kit. All you need to do is provide the cabinet, which is the humidity controller and the temperature controller, etc. There's the River Cottage Smoking and Curing book and the Weschenfelder Salami and Chorizo starter kit with everything you need apart from the pork to make your first chorizos and or salamis in your new Inkbird curing chamber. So that's what's up for grabs. We're on to question 5 now, like I say. This one I've kept it a bit more simple today. This is basically a crossword. You've got to solve all the clues in the crossword, and then what we're looking for is for you to count how many times the letter V appears in the solution as a whole. So you need to count all the times the letter V appears, and you sign that to the letter P. This is getting really confusing, I know, but P is the one that you need to input into the grid that I'll be giving you at the end of question 8. And then we're also looking for you to count the number of times the letter D occurs in the answer to the crossword. There are 15 clues, 15 questions. If you've been following the Wednesday quizzical quiz that Kim does every Wednesday on our social media, you should be able to get 95% of these answers without even thinking, shall we say. So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed question 5. So without further ado, question 5. So there's question 5. If you've been following the Wednesday's quizzical quiz that Kim does on our social media platforms, you should be able to get most of these answers off the bat, as it were, or off the cuff. So good luck for that. Question 6 will come out on Sunday morning. All these questions are appearing on our YouTube channel. There's a link appearing just up there to the playlist. You can also find it on our website, a summary with all the questions with the enlarged view, so you can see the larger view of the questions from the video on our website. The link is in the description to the YouTube channel for you to be able to go and see everything there. So yeah, just 3 more questions to go, and then you can start working out where in the UK you need to find for your Christmas competition answer and your chance to win. So anyway, good luck, and I will speak to you Sunday morning.